Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode for Pinterest. And just so you know, this works on both Android and iPhone. Now, Pinterest doesn't have its own dark mode toggle inside the app anymore, so you won't find any theme or appearance option in Pinterest settings. Instead, it automatically follows whatever theme your phone is using. So, to switch Pinterest to dark mode, all you need to do is change your phone's system theme. Let's start with Android. Open your phone's settings scroll down and tap on Display. Here, look for the option that says Dark Theme or Dark Mode. Tap it to turn it on now. Open the Pinterest app, and it'll instantly switch to dark mode. If you're on iPhone, here's what to do. Go to your Settings Tap Display and Brightness. Then choose Dark under Appearance. That's it. Pinterest will now appear in dark mode across the entire app. There's no need to restart anything. The theme updates right away. This also means if you ever want to switch back to light mode, just change your phone's system theme again, and Pinterest will follow it. Super simple and way easier on the eyes, especially at night. Hope this helped, and I'll catch you in the next one.